Hi! Today's Take a Breather Tech Minute has to do with Nearpod. Angie spent some time working with Nearpod to get you premium access so that during this Learn from Home time you have access to things such as student pace mode, which means that you don't have to be guiding the students through the Nearpod lesson. They can guide themselves, which is perfect for our current environment. So if you head over to your email box, you probably received an email inviting you to be part of Nearpod. Now, if you already have an account, your account has already been brought in if you click that login button. If you don't have an account, you can simply create one and your email may look a little bit different. But when you head over to Nearpod, here's what this allows you to do. Any Nearpod lessons that you've created, you can simply hover over it, and instead of doing a live lesson like you would do in the classroom, you can now do student paced. I'm going to go ahead and click on student paced, and you'll see it's so simple. All you have to do if you use Google Classroom is simply click Google Classroom and add that assignment to your classroom. Your students will be able to move through Nearpod on their own, and you're still getting all that data in your Nearpod lesson that you can go back and check after your students have completed it. But you also have the option to email this to your students, or simply create a link if you're sharing things through Wakelet or another way that you're sharing content right now. But bottom line is you'll be able to use Nearpod remotely, and that's such an important thing. Thanks Nearpod for providing that to us during this Learn from Home time. Don't forget, take time today to take a breather.